What happens when a major tech company accidentally reveals its hand too soon? That's exactly what happened with Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. A promotional video for the highly anticipated smartphone leaked and caused quite a stir before being quickly taken down at the company's request. But as with anything on the internet, once it's out there, it's hard to erase. The video is still making the rounds on social media, giving us a sneak peek at Samsung's next big thing, artificial intelligence. Samsung appears to be leaning heavily on AI for its Galaxy S25, much like Apple has done with its latest iPhone. The centerpiece of the promo was the new improved Bixby, now enhanced with large language model capabilities. It also teased exclusive Google Gemini features that industry insiders suggest could put Apple to shame. The promise of an AI-powered assistant that truly gets you was a key selling point, aimed at making the phone not just smart, but intuitive and personal. However, not everyone is convinced that these AI features are revolutionary. Sure, the video showcased some useful tools, like improved nighttime video recording and the ability to filter out specific sounds in videos. These are cool, but they aren't exactly groundbreaking. The main feature promoted was an AI assistant that could answer everyday questions and provide personalized insights like finding pet-friendly Italian restaurants with outdoor seating. While convenient, it's not necessarily something that feels groundbreaking in the realm of smartphone technology. For many, this type of functionality is something they would still prefer to get from personal recommendations or online reviews. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. It's possible that the leaked promo didn't reveal all the tricks up Samsung's sleeve. Some speculate that the company might be planning to roll out additional AI features in later updates after the release of One UI 7. This strategy wouldn't be surprising, as it mirrors Apple's approach of gradually releasing new features over time. On the hardware front, the Galaxy S25 seems to offer more of the same. The leaked information suggests that battery capacity, charging speeds, cameras, and displays will remain consistent with the previous generation. The major hardware upgrade appears to be the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises substantial performance improvements over its predecessors. This could make the S25 series one of the most powerful smartphones available in 2025, even if the other hardware specs don't see significant changes. So what does this mean for potential buyers? If you're someone who is excited about the latest AI advancements, the Galaxy S25 could be an exciting option. But if AI isn't a big selling point for you, this generation might not offer enough new features to justify an upgrade. The performance gains from the new chipset could still make it a compelling choice, especially for those who prioritize speed and efficiency in their devices. The Galaxy S25 series is likely to be one of the best smartphones of 2025, even if the leaked promo didn't set the world on fire. Whether you decide to upgrade or not might come down to how much value you place on the AI capabilities and the overall performance improvements. One thing's for sure, Samsung has everyone talking, and that's always a win in the tech world. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.
Have you been wondering about the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series and what it will bring to the table? The wait is almost over. Thanks to a major leak by renowned industry insider Evan Blass, we just gotten a sneak peek at the upcoming models in the Galaxy S25 series, showcasing their stunning color options and giving us a closer look at what Samsung has in store for us. This year's Galaxy lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra, all of which will be unveiled during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22. These models will each be available in 4 colors, but don't be surprised if special online exclusive shades make an appearance later. The leak reveals the color options in incredible detail, giving us a chance to see these phones up close and personal. While we had heard rumors and seen potential color lists in the past, this is the first time we get to witness the true look of these models. As for the internals, the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This cutting-edge processor promises to deliver significant improvements in both performance and efficiency, making it one of the fastest and most efficient chipsets available in the smartphone world. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is designed to handle it all with ease. While the camera specs and battery life will likely be similar to previous Galaxy S models, the upgraded chipset is a major selling point. It will enhance the overall performance, ensuring that the Galaxy S25 series remains a top contender in the highly competitive smartphone market of 2025. Along with the boost in processing power, Samsung is also focusing on design with these new models. One feature that stands out is the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim, a model set to release later this year. The S25 Slim will offer a thinner profile, making it an ideal option for those who prefer a lighter and more compact phone without sacrificing performance. Rumors suggest that it will feature the Ultra camera, which will likely include the same high-quality sensors as the S25 Ultra, ensuring excellent photography capabilities despite the slimmer design. However, there's one notable change in the leaked images that might catch your attention. Unlike the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, which will come in a vibrant navy blue, the S25 Ultra's blue variant appears more grayish in tone. While this may be a surprising shift, especially for those who were expecting a bold traditional navy, it doesn't detract from the overall premium design of the S25 Ultra. For those who are passionate about color options, Samsung has historically released exclusive color variants online, so it's always worth checking for special editions. Still, the black version is a classic and sophisticated choice that never seems to go out of style. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is the emphasis on artificial intelligence AI. Samsung is taking a page out of Apple's playbook, integrating AI enhancements that are designed to streamline the user experience and make it even more intuitive. These improvements aim to enhance everything from camera performance to battery management, ensuring that users get the most out of their devices. If you're excited about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series and want to stay up to date with all the latest tech news, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, and we'll keep you informed on everything tech-related. See you in the next video. What makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the talk of the town? With Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event right around the corner, the buzz surrounding the upcoming release is only growing louder. Among the many exciting features Samsung is set to reveal, the enhanced sketch-to-image AI tool is certainly stealing the spotlight. First introduced in the previous Galaxy S series, sketch-to-image allowed users to turn basic sketches into detailed images using the S Pen or their fingers. But Samsung is taking this feature to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, the tool isn't just about drawing. The updated version now supports text and voice commands. That means you can describe an image in words and watch as your ideas are transformed right before your eyes. For instance, you could sketch a simple outline of a tree and say, sunset over a forest, and instantly see your sketch become a stunning, colorful landscape. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary way to create on a smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about giving you more tools. It's about turning your device into a powerful creative companion, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Integrated within One UI 7, Samsung's latest user interface, this feature is designed to make the creative process smoother than ever. One UI 7 isn't just about improving the look and feel of the interface, it's built to understand natural language. Whether you're speaking, typing, or using images, the AI seamlessly interprets your inputs, making it easier to communicate with your device in a way that feels more human. This new functionality opens up endless possibilities. Whether you're an aspiring designer looking for an efficient way to create or just someone who enjoys experimenting with fun ideas, sketch-to-image is poised to change the way we think about mobile creativity. The addition of text and voice commands means anyone, regardless of their artistic ability, can easily create beautiful, detailed images with just a few words. No need to be an expert sketch artist, all you need is a bit of imagination. Beyond the creative features, Samsung is positioning itself as a leader in the AI-driven mobile space. While competitors like Apple have been slowly rolling out AI capabilities, Samsung is setting a fast pace, showcasing its commitment to pushing boundaries. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about playing catch-up, it's about taking the lead in shaping the future of smartphone technology. With cutting-edge features like these, Samsung is proving that it has the vision to stay ahead of the curve. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about one feature, though. As the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22 approaches, there's anticipation that Samsung will unveil even more innovative features that could redefine smartphone technology. From AI-powered creativity to advancements in other areas, the S25 Ultra is poised to set new standards across the industry. It's clear that Samsung isn't just focused on keeping up with current trends. They're setting the trends for what smartphones will be capable of in the future. As we eagerly await the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's clear that this device is not only about improving existing technology, but also about introducing new ways for users to interact with their smartphones. The AI-powered enhancements and creative tools are just a glimpse of what's to come. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another phone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its enhanced AI tools, advanced user interface, and focus on creativity, it's setting the stage for a whole new era of smartphones. If you're excited about what the Galaxy S25 Ultra has to offer, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest news. We'll keep you updated every step of the way.